What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Asphalt Cowboys Shit Show. Today's drift day. Ditzler got some fucking shit going on
there ain't
again.
even air in this tire.
I know, it's flat. I don't want it in the trunk. That's the big bag.
But what's today? What's today, dude?
It's the drift day.
What's today?
We're going to hammer down.
Oh, buddy's out.
Fuck yeah, it's Midvale, second event at Midvale this year, but we're a little bit late. But the boys, we're all making it. Tony's probably already there before the gates even open, but we're going to be there soon. So, yeah, lots to come. Ryan's here, Ditzler's here, Tom's on the trailer, my buddy Brandon's over there, and it's gonna be a good time. Sadly, she's under the knife still, but support vehicle is here. Ready to go. Asphalt Cowboys, baby.
Your eyes are as big as or it's for. I can't remember. I'm trying to figure it out. I'll get back.
He's trying to sing about his headlights.
The eyes are as big as the moon, baby.
I'm fucking terrible at recording, but we're here. We're at Midvale. We are looking for. Oh, I see Tony over here. How the fuck did we?
Looking for ass and titties.
Ass and titties, ass and titties. Look, there's Jimmy and John. Benji. Oh yeah. Hey, you fit good in there.
Just stop. Why?
Just stop.
What happened? You're not even fucking tight. Oh god. God damn it. I'm turning it the wrong way. 1, 2, they were already open. Right?
Oh, he's like, God
Did
damn
we blow
it.
fucking brake fluid everywhere? Yeah. Awesome. I don't have any.
Not yet.
I was a little overzealous, I guess.
People said we need to do more vloggy style and less how to install you.
Did you tell them to go fuck themselves?
Did you hear that, Dave Nash winner? Tell them what
I cannot disclose what this is because it's secret, but it's secret drift juice. That's the sauce. We're just gonna fucking
Yo, get the fuck out
4
of here.
drops, baby.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. You're fucking. It's gonna fucking blow. What flavor is it at least?
That's blue raspberry.
Blue
It is gonna blow up. I'm not supposed to put blue shit in the right car. Fuck. You're right. Zach Hendricks would be fucking so pissed at you.
Dirt drop baby is fucking sick as fuck, dude. You had all the angle, dude. He had all the fucking angle. This man needs to save some angle for the rest of the guys.
That had to have looked sick. I didn't even let off. I just knew I was going in that dirt.
Bro, so like clockwork, Tony can't keep his pants on. Every event. Dude, this bumper's been through some shit though, for real. It's every event. But good. All 4 up and running.
thank God for KVD, baby. Look at that, though, baby. You saved them. If you guys enjoyed what you saw today, please smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications when we drop another video.
Give us a like.
We need it. And give it a like, you know, drop a comment. Tell us what you liked about this video the best. Look at this guy. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.